Hi, and welcome to Edcite's Admin Reports Hub tour. In your Admin Reports Hub, you will be able to see information from the student to district level for all common assessments, allowing you to both get granular and see the big picture as you analyze data. To open my Reports Hub, I ensure I'm on the admin side of my account. Then I select Reports. The Reports Hub is set to show me all data from this year with all active classes and students. I can also select the Change View button to change what years I'd like to see data from, as well as if I'd like to view any archived classes, students, and assignments or distributions. Our reports are purposefully categorized to help you get what you need fast. Under Single Assignment, we have all the reports that address student performance on one assessment. These are great for data-driven decision-making after an assessment. Under Standard, you'll see the reports that help you analyze student performance on standards over time. Use these reports to get an overarching picture of standard mastery over time. The student reports are run for individual students and allow you to see how a student is performing on multiple assessments and standards over time. Many of our districts use these reports for IEP or family meetings, as well as one-to-one conferences with students. The growth reports allow you to view growth on assessments over time, from the student all the way to the district level. With these reports, you can celebrate growth and identify students and standards that have the potential to grow more. And finally, the special reports are reports we've added in response to feedback from districts. The reports in this category are varied and can support everything from inputting student scores on reading level assessments to combining two assessments into one report. And on the teacher side of the account, we also have a parent report in this column. For the majority of reports, when I click on the report name, this pop-up appears. Here, I can either select Teacher Assigned or District Distributed, depending on how the assignment was sent to students. I can then filter for the assessment, select the circle to the left, and choose Confirm. Now you've accessed the report you need, and you can start digging into the data. For support with a specific report, please check out our training center, our knowledge base, or email support@edcite.com. Happy testing!